Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear middle three students, today we are going to solve some questions and we are going to concentrate in this question and their different types on lesson 2 from unit 2, which is titled with lenses. Okay, the first question today, choose the correct answer. Concave lens is called. Concave lens is called the converging, the diverging lens, ولا collecting lens, ولا no correct answer. هنا collecting زي converging. They are all this, both of them are the same, but diverging اللي احنا بندور عليها is the right answer because the convex lens is the converging or the collecting lens. Question number 2. Dot is a point inside the lens that lies on the principal axis mid distance between the two faces. طبعا احنا بنتكلم على ايه؟ عارفين لو قلنا the pole الاجابه غلط، هي طبعا mid point but it's not inside the lens. Pole it's inside the mirror. And now the optical center is the right answer. If the focal length of a convex lens is 6 centimeters, radius of curvature equal. كلنا عارفين ان الفوكال length half radius, so 6 times 2 equal 12. This is the radius. لو قال diameter يبقى الفوكال length quarter of the diameter. If the distance between the two centers of curvature of length is 20, that means the focal length at the E اللي هي 5 10 يبقى 5 ليه؟ هنا بقى المهم 5 سنتيمتر هي بانت على طول اوتوماتيك سوري بس هي ليه 5 سنتيمتر؟ لأن between the lens, the center and the optical center with the optical center with another center يبقى أنا عندي هنا 4 focal lengths. عندي diameter هنا وديامتر هنا sorry radius and radius, so 4 focal lengths, it means 5 for each. وده سؤال فيه فكرة. What's meant by the secondary axis of the lens? The principal axis عشان نقوله بالمرة, it's the line passes through or join the two centers and the optical center. هنا any other line passes through the optical center and not the principal axis يبقى secondary axis. عشان كده عندنا uncountable number. Any line passing through the optical center, the lens, and except the principal axis. The focal length of the convex lens is 80 centimeters. And then one value, we are going to mention the definition. Focal length is the distance between the focus and the optical center, but also the pole, please. Pole of the mirror, optical center related to the lens. تمام؟ يبقى it means that the distance between the focus and the optical center is 8 centimeters. Okay? يعني ايه image formed by the convex lens is real. It can be received on a screen. دي حاجة تانية كمان. It's formed due to what? The intersection of the refracted rays, مش ال extension of the refracted. Refracted rays هي اللي بتعمل ايه؟ ال real image في الحالة دي. تمام؟ يبقى الإجابتين يعتبر في النهاية صحيحين. تعالوا نشوف هنا. Complete the following statement. The lens is a dot medium that the light and is limited with 2 spherical surfaces. The definition بتاع lens in general. So it is a transparent medium. دي مهمة جدا. That بتعمل ايه للlight? It refracts the light. لكن الميرور reflect the light. So refract, reflect. There are 2 types of lenses which are طبعا سهل السؤال ده جدا, concave and convex. No image is formed for the object when it is at dot of the convex lens. طبعا مفيش غير مكان واحد which is the focus. Number 4, the convex lens dot light rays. بتعمل ايه light ray؟ convex mirror. هنا بقى السؤال لذيذ شويه. convex lens بيعمل ايه والconvex mirror بتعمل ايه؟ الconvex lens بيعمل converging to the lens to the right ray sorry. لكن الconvex mirror هي اللي بتعمل diverging. The incident light ray that parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens penetrates ويحصل لها refraction. The lens passing through what? Parallel, يبقى passing through the focus. Another type of questions. Write the scientific term. A disease infects the eye lens, so it becomes dark by time. Okay? ما عندناش غير disease واحد احنا ندرسه هو الكاتاراكت طبعا سهل جدا. Number 2, the material from which the contact lens are made. The contact lens اللي هي artificial, made by man, artificial. It's made of plastic. It is the point inside the lens, lies on the principal axis in the mid distance between its faces. ما فيش غير نقطة واحدة في النص, which is the optical center. Number 4, it's any line passing through the optical center of the lens except the principal axis. طبعا معروف ان هو secondary axis. Number 5, it is the vision defect through which near object can be seen clearly. Near يبقى احنا نتجه ناحية الشورت على طول. But far optic seems distorted or not clear. يبقى short sightedness. Another type of questions, which right or wrong, eye lens is a concave lens. كانت تبقى مصيبة. تعمل سكاتشنج لكل حاجة وتبقى كل الصور فيرتشوالز it's not real يعني بتبقى مشكلة. مش هتجمع صورة واحدة يبقى concave غلط convex هي الصح. The image formed by a concave lens is always virtual. هنا بقى نقطة مهمة جدا. هل الكونكيف لينس بتعمل فيرتشوال ولا لا؟ هل ليها ريل؟ عمر الكونكيف لينس ما كان ليها ريل. Contact lens stick to the eye retina by the eye fluid. في ظاهر السؤال ماشي هي طبعا تلزق بالاي فلويد بس to the eye retina this is the point, the trick. It stick to the eye cornea. خلي بالنا من الكلام اللي في النص. Illness and old age are from reasons of cataract disease. طبعا الكلام ده صحيح جدا جدا. وطبعا another one it may be inherited from يعني parents our previous generation. Also it can be due to the side effect of the drugs. The secondary axis is any line passing through the optical center except pool. طبعا الكلام ده بص any line passing through the optical center of the lens except pool. Pool. Except a pool. طبعا except principal axis. مش except البول. نخلي بالنا من كلمة واحدة غيرت كل الدنيا. Give reasons. The convex lens is called diverging lens. سهل قوي. Diverging means separating or scattering. So the convex lens is this separating lens or scattering. Because it diverges, the rays falls on it. No image is formed for the object that is located at the focus. طبعا لأن refracted lights هنا or even extension, they are parallel. They are not going to meet until infinity. مش ممكن. يبقى penetrated rays don't meet and pass through a parallel way at infinity. مش مالهمش كلام. They are not going to meet or to intersect. Intersect تنفع كمان تبقى لازم. The collective lens has two foci, but collective mirror has one foci. طبعا هنا the two surfaces are a piece of or a part of two spheres. إنما for the mirror only one sphere. Convex has two circular surfaces, part of two spheres, but the concave mirror has circular surface واحد أو one sphere, part of one sphere. The image formed by concave lens cannot be received on a screen. برضو عندنا هنا because it's virtual أو because it is formed due to the intersection of the extensions of the refracted light ray. شوف الكلام. Result of intersection of the extension of refracted light rays. طالما اتكونت extension of the refracted rays مش refracted rays يبقى it's not true. That was the last question in our quick revision today on lesson 2. Inshallah, we are going to meet once again in the next lessons, and also in the final revision, inshallah, we are going to be together to solve most of the questions. Thank you and goodbye.